Hey Zero.Math fan, imagine trying to do math without the number zero. No decimals, no big numbers, no algebra, no computers. Sounds impossible, right? Well, over 1500 years ago, in ancient India, a teenage genius looked at the sky, picked up a stylus, and basically invented the entire foundation of the math you use every single day. His name? Aryabhatta. And today, I'm going to blow your mind with the 5 game-changing discoveries every math student must know. Stick around till the end, because one of them is the reason your phone even works. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell. We're making math epic, zero to hero. Let's dive in. Aryabhatta was born around 476 CE in what is now Bihar, India. At just 23 years old, he wrote his masterpiece, the Aryabhatiya, a 121-verse poem that packed more math genius than most textbooks today. He wasn't just crunching numbers. He was staring at the stars, spinning Earth in his mind, and asking questions no one else dared. But forget the history class version. Let's get to the 5 inventions and findings that still blow mathematicians away, and why you as a math student owe this guy your entire future. Number 1. He basically gave the world zero as we know it. Before Aryabhatta, numbers were a mess. You had to write long strings of symbols. No easy way to show nothing. He introduced the decimal place value system. A 1 in the ones place? Cool. Shift it left and it becomes 10, 100, 1000. All because of an invisible hero, zero. He called empty places k, like a placeholder that changed everything. No symbol yet, but the idea? Pure Aryabhatta. Why it matters to you? Without zero, no binary code, no Google, no bank apps. Every time you type 10, 100, or even 0.001, you are using Aryabhatta's genius. Mind blown yet? Wait till you hear the rest. Number 2. He nailed pi like a boss. Aryabhatta didn't just calculate pi. He turned it into a beautiful Sanskrit mantra. A single poetic verse that hides one of the most accurate values of pi the ancient world had ever seen. Here is the exact mantra he wrote in the Aryabhatiya. Add 4 to 100, multiply by 8, add 62,000 and divide by 20,000. Boom! You get 3.1416. That's accurate to 4 decimal places. He even hinted that pi is irrational, a truth we only proved centuries later. He used it to calculate the circumference of a circle with diameter 20,000 units and got it spot on. During those days, it was not less than miracle. Math students, every time you use pi r square for area or calculate circles in physics, engineering, or even pizza slices, thank Aryabhatta. His value stayed the gold standard for over 1,000 years. And he did this without calculators, just pure brain power. Number 3. He invented modern trigonometry. Aryabhatta didn't just say sine exists, he defined it. He called it ja, meaning half chord. He created the world's first sine table. Values from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, every 3.75 degrees, accurate to 4 decimal places. He used the Pythagorean theorem to build it and even figured out early calculus vibes. Cosine? He called it koja, versine 2. Why every math student needs this? Trig powers, GPS, video games, architecture, music waveforms, and even how your phone rotates the screen. Aryabhatta literally wrote the first chapter of the trig textbook we still use today. Number 4. He mastered algebra, especially quadratic equations and the crazy hard indeterminate equations. He gave rules for solving quadratics and linear equations. But his masterpiece? The Kuttakara or Pulverizer method. It's like the Euclidean algorithm on steroids. You keep breaking down huge problems into tinier ones until you crack it. Basically the ancestor of continued fractions and modern number theory. Next time you're solving ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, you're walking in Aryabhatta's footsteps. Number 5. He gave algorithms for square roots, cube roots, and sums of arithmetic and geometric series. He could extract roots faster than anyone, and he laid down rules for series that later mathematicians built entire branches of math on. Plus, bonus, he used all this to calculate Earth's circumference almost perfectly and prove Earth spins on its axis. Pure math powering astronomy. So there you have it. Aryabhat's 5 legendary gifts to math. Zero and place value, pi, trigonometry, algebra mastery, and root series power. This one guy from 1500 years ago didn't just do math. He unlocked the universe for the rest of us. Every time you calculate, code, or even just count change, you're standing on the shoulders of this ancient Indian genius. If this fired you up, smash like, drop a comment. Which discovery blew your mind the most? And who's the next ancient mathematician you want me to cover? Subscribe to Zero.Math for more stories that make math legendary. Until then, keep questioning everything. See you in the next one. Peace.